Here I have Renault Captur, and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Renault Infotainment system. Then from the top menu, let's select the apps icon. Then all you need to do is select the settings. So scroll down, in my case settings are the last of the following options. And now from the all list of settings you need to select the security. From security let's select clear credentials. So it will remove all the credential content. If you are aware of this, let's just tap OK. And credential storage is erased. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.